Welcome back to our channel. I'm that arty mum, Danielle, and here we create and share art-inspired ideas and activities to do with children. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cute little cartoon cat. So let's get started.
To draw our cat, we're first going to sketch in a rounded pear shape for the head. Next, draw a larger pear shape beneath that for the shape of the body. Now we're going to add 2 triangles to the top of the head for the ears. Next, draw a little upside down triangle for the nose and a double fish hook beneath it for the mouth. Now we're going to make 2 arches where the eyes will be, making sure the outer edge of each arch is slightly shorter on the outside edge. Then connect each eye at the bottom with a swooping line. Next, add a little circle roughly in the centre of each eye and then draw a larger circle around that, connecting at the edges of the outer eye. It may look a little lopsided at the moment, but it will make more sense once we shade it in. Now we're going to add some jagged edges to the top of his head for the fur and 2 parallel lines inside his ears to show the inner ear. Continue adding jagged lines around his face and chin, and then we're going to add in some whiskers. Next, we're going to draw 2 rough ovals at the base of his body for his front paws, and then draw 2 curved lines coming up from the paws for his front arms. Now we're going to curve the shape of his body into where the elbows would be, then curving the bottom half out again to show his back leg. Next, add 2 lines to define his arms, and then add some jagged lines for his scruffy chest. We're now going to add 2 lines to each front paw for his toes, and then defining the outline of each paw. To finish, we're going to draw in his tail, swooping it down and around like so. Now that we have our drawing done, it's time to take an ink pen and go over our outlines and add in some shading to the eyes and nose. Here you can add in any little details to make the cat your own. And that's how to draw a cartoon cat. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love for you to like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.